Welcome everyone. What's everyone into this evening? Did y'all have a good day at work? Just want to log on here in a little bit. So, Jodi Adams here, and what we're going to do this evening is go over some DIY products. So, some nice little things you can actually do at home. So, if you hop on here, tell me what you're into, tell me where you're from, tell me, if you've ever used essential oils, have you ever done anything at home, and just tell me a little bit about yourself. Say hi, give me some love, and we'll learn a little bit about doTERRA essential oils and things we can actually do at home to reduce some of the toxic load. So how many of y'all know how many chemicals that you're exposed to on a day-to-day basis just in your home? It's kind of crazy on how many toxins we're actually exposed to in our home. So I'm just going to go over a couple little fun DIY little things that you can do at home. And if you have kids, have them help you do this too. It's super fun to get everyone involved in your family. So what we're going to do is we're first going to do like a soft scrub. So how many of y'all, get on your hands and knees and spend a lot of time trying to get stains out, or just trying to maybe even lighten up your countertop, just a deeper clean. So you can actually use this to do that, and it's absolutely incredible. So I'll just go ahead and show you the finished product. I like to keep it in a glass sealed container, so that way when I use it, because there's lemon essential oil in here, so that way when I use it, you still have that lemon essential oil, you're still getting the amazing benefits. And I like to just put it in, and what I do is actually keep it in the fridge. And I just put a little bit in here and literally just sprinkle it on. And then what I also like to do is, in case I have like a stain or something that needs a little bit extra oomph, I like to squirt a little bit of white distilled vinegar on it. So I simply just take it, sprinkle it, and I moist the area first, get it a little wet, and then I just sprinkle it on. And then I always like to, if I just want an extra kick, I just do a little touch of vinegar on there. And just wait 10 to 15 minutes. So you take all the hard work out of it. So it's super awesome and super cool. So, and then you just wipe it off. You get a wet wash rag and wipe it off. So I want to go over how you make that real quick. So in the grocery store, you just go out and get some borax. And literally it's just 2 cups. So you just measure it out. So what was everyone, did y'all have a hard day today? Tell me what y'all do for a living. Okay, so I'm just going to put 2 cups of this. 2 cups. And a cup of baking soda. And I like to go out to Sam's and get a really large thing of baking soda to save a bunch of money. So you're actually going to save less money by adding more natural products and actually using essential oils. So I'm just going to add a cup of baking soda. And if anyone wants these recipes, just comment below and I will get you these recipes. So then we just do a half a cup of citric acid. Let me refresh that. Half a cup of citric acid. And just put that in there. It doesn't take long at all, guys. And then a half a cup of kosher salt. Super easy. Okay, and then I just like to mix that up. Okay, and then all we have left is 20 drops of lemon essential oil. How easy was that? And like I said, I just like to moist the area that I either want a deep cleaning, or maybe I want to brighten up my countertop in my bathroom. Or say, I might want an extra oomph, a deep cleaning in that grout on the bathroom floor. I just take this, or the tubs. you know, all the mildew on the tubs. You know, we might not even be able to see it all. So we just mix that up and simple. And then you literally just do 20 drops of lemon essential oil. I always get more than 20. That's okay. So lemon is very cleansing. It's very detoxing as well. And the thing about this smells incredible. So literally that's it, guys. And you can store it in a glass container, and when you are ready to clean, literally you've saved a bunch of money and you got rid of a lot of those chemicals. So, and literally I just get these really cool little stickers for the front. You can reuse them, and literally I just write chalk on it what it is, so I know exactly what it is. And then I always store some in the fridge, and that way when I'm ready to clean, I can just pull that out. And again, if you want a little extra boost while it's sitting there, just spray a little bit of white vinegar distill. So next, how many of you all love to use, you have carpet in the house and you love to use carpet freshener? So, but do we know what's in that carpet freshener? So I'm going to show you a really easy, quick way to make your own carpet freshener. So we'll just take another bowl here. And literally, it's 2 cups of baking soda. So we're just going to put 2 cups of baking soda. And guys, this smells incredible. And you can use any of the essential oils that you like. I like the Purify. It's one of our strongest blends. And I mean, I'm telling you, it smells incredible. And I really like to put it in my diffusers at my house too. I mean, because the Purify is, I mean, just the smell of it. So, and literally, I'm just putting 10 drops of Purify. Okay. How easy was that? Super easy. And then I just mix that up. Oh, that smells incredible. So literally, that's it. And what I like to do with this is I also like to keep it in these containers. I usually keep the excess and just put a little bit in my fridge. That way when I'm ready to go, I can just take it out and sprinkle it. And these are super cool. I got these at Walmart, and they have little sprinkles where you can just sprinkle it all over the carpet. So what I like to do is sprinkle it on my carpet, wait about an hour or 2 hours. Number one, it smells incredible in the house. And while I'm doing something else, while I'm cleaning something else. So literally I just let that set for a couple hours. And if you're in a hurry, you don't have to let it set. I usually do that every week because I'm a little OCD as far as being clean. So, but again, just let it set for a couple hours, sweep it up, and your house is going to smell incredible. And it's a lot better than all those chemicals that you're exposing yourself to if you're buying the store-bought carpet cleaner. So again, incredible. Those are 2 little fun little tricks as far as trying to reduce that toxic load in your home. So how many of y'all want to try these DIY? They're super awesome and super easy, and you only need 2 different essential oils to do this. Purify and lemon essential oil. How incredible is that? So leave me some love, and if you're ready to get started and detoxing your home, please just comment or send me a private message and we'll help you get started. You know, it's not difficult, it's very easy, and if you would like also to have more of a business opportunity, you can also comment that below too, and I'll help you with that. Again, any questions, or if you would like to know a DIY project for a certain thing in your home to clean, just comment that below too, and I will, I've probably already done the recipe, so if I haven't, I will find your recipe and try it out first, and then give you my comments on what I think and teach you all how to do it, okay? So I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and again, tell me where you're from, give me some love, tell me what you do, tell me if you've ever had essential oils, and I'll be back next week, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.